What's going on, guys? It's a 5244888 fan, and this is going to be it's a Saturday, Speedway Saturday throwback story. Speedway story, there we go. Saturday Speedway story. I'll get used to what. This is a story about me working in the pits at Columbus River Speedway for the first time in 2014. So April 4th, it was a Saturday, nice day, but it was cool outside. Right up here, right there, is going to be the link of the picture of me working on the car. It was fun. We finished third. Didn't get the win, but we finished third. Not where we wanted to finish. We wanted to finish 2 positions higher, but we'll get it this year. But I was wearing this hat, and I'll show you. Now I'm turning my head this way, not this way, because the car's facing this way. Anyway, so we're working on the car. Then a couple hours later, it's around 6-ish. Start qualify on the pole. Then comes the feature. We lead a couple laps, finish third. I go on the golf cart, and I was covered up well, but I didn't have a hood on. And the golf cart was like 20 miles an hour, no, 15 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour, but let's just say the next morning I was sick. Sore throat, coughing, congestion. Let's just say I should have gotten a ski mask. Because I was a sick puppy. But I'm hearing that it's going to be in the 50s or 40s. But it's going to be cold. But I learned my lesson. To have protection up here and all around, because it's coming up April and it's fucking snowing outside. What the fuck? I mean, it was nice. Last week it was like 60 degrees, but man, we need fucking weather that's warm. As you can tell, I'm a race fan, but I'm ready for fucking warm weather. Come on! I'll see you guys later.